Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the storm is basically on track. We are expecting it to pass well to the south and east of New England, but close enough that we're going to get a period of strong winds as well as a period of snow. And I've altered the snow accumulation map just a little bit. Winter storm watch in effect for Newport County, Bristol County, Plymouth County. Blizzard watch continues for Cape Cod and the islands. We've already got these high clouds streaming overhead. They'll continue to thicken through the afternoon. We've warmed, I guess, to 34 in Smithfield, 32 in Providence, Newport 31, New Bedford 33. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. We are looking at dry skies and will remain dry through the afternoon. In fact, you can see in the satellite radar picture the clouds continuing to thicken up. The snow remains well off to our south, and it will remain off to our south through the evening. So temperatures this afternoon will be warming up to about 37 degrees or so, and then cooling off during the course of the evening with the clouds hanging tough. But we'll stay dry most of the evening. Where's the storm right now? It's off the Florida, Georgia coastline, and this little batch of snow that you see in here, that's the upper level energy. That's what's really helping to intensify this area of low pressure. It's going to be scooting on off to the north and east and pass well to our south and east. If it gets a little bit closer, which we're not anticipating it to do, we would get more in the way of snow, but I think we're fairly confident that we're not going to be getting a major snow hit here in southern New England, but we are going to be seeing some very strong winds as that storm system passes off to our south and east tomorrow morning. About 8 o'clock is its closest approach. Your Futurecast shows these high clouds thickening up through the afternoon. Notice when the snow arrives, not until just after midnight, and it gets a little heavy at times, especially out across Cape Cod and the islands, parts of southeastern Mass. In fact, you can see a little snow band developing here around 6 o'clock in the morning. Also notice the very sharp cutoff to the precipitation. If that storm just moves a little bit further that way, we'll be missing a good portion of the storm. It comes a little bit closer, we could be seeing some slightly heavier amounts, but we're not expecting major accumulations with this storm system. Now by 8 o'clock, this computer model indicates that some of the snow may actually be leaving us, but hanging out a little longer out across Cape Cod and the islands, and may actually see a little bit of sunshine during the afternoon tomorrow. So here's the timeline. Dry through the evening commute, snow developing around midnight, the heaviest 4 to 9 a.m. or so in Rhode Island and nearby Massachusetts. The snow comes to an end around noontime in Rhode Island. Of course, that computer model indicates maybe a little bit sooner. Very windy throughout the duration of this storm. Do expect a slick morning commute tomorrow. We're not looking at, impassable roads, but there'll be a lot of blowing and drifting snow, which could reduce visibility. The winds may actually be the biggest story with this storm. Do expect some isolated power outages. Winds gust to 45 miles an hour in Rhode Island. Damaging winds, maybe 60, 65 mile an hour wind gusts across Cape Cod and the islands. Scattered power outages are possible out there, and also some coastal flooding possible out there on the Cape. Northwestern Rhode Island, the usual snow belt, you may get less than an inch, maybe barely anything up there in Burrowville, Foster, Gloucester, perhaps into Woonsocket, maybe 1 to 3 inches here across a good portion of Rhode Island. Still looking at the higher amounts across Newport County into Bristol County, Massachusetts, and Plymouth County, 3 to 6 inches there. Obviously, Cape Cod still expecting to get the most out of this storm. Here's your Futurecast, and we are 7-day Futurecast, and we are expecting the snow to be out of here for Wednesday afternoon. It's going to be windy all day tomorrow. Thursday, 41 degrees with a blend of clouds and sunshine. You're looking for spring-like temperatures. Well, we've got them for you. Friday into Monday, temperatures should be topping out in the 50s with a chance for some rain showers late Friday and into the early part of the day on Saturday. Don't forget to take the live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast and all your breaking news and video with you. Just point your web browser to WPRI.com from any computer, smartphone, or tablet. You log on to WPRI.com right now and look for the weather blog. You've got some fresh information there about the storm impacts, the winds, and some of the wind gusts we could be seeing, and some of the tremendous ocean waves that will be just offshore.
All right, will do. Thanks, TJ. Now a quick look at what we're working on starting live at 5 tonight.